No, I didn't figure that passing out a few pills is very hard work.
Passing out pills? 90% of my work is surgery. Setting broken bones, digging bullets out of people, and delivering babies in the middle of the night. Mr. Dillon! It's them.
Them? What do you mean?
Yeah, it's Ben Seifel and that Tex, and they seen Abby and they grabbed her and they're just treating her something terrible.
Come on.
Putting on airs, are you? Think maybe you're too good for us, huh? About time you saw another lesson.
No, Ben, please!
Come here!
Hold it!
You really are a marshal.
Abby? You want to go with him, Abby? Or you want to stay here and dodge?
I never want to see him again as long as I live.
All right. When you go on over to the Long Branch, Kitty's over there waiting for you.
This ain't no business of the law, mister.
You broke a promise I made to her, Seifel. I told her nobody'd ever hit her again.
Plan to interfere with a man's natural rights?
I want to teach you a lesson.
Now, that's where you made your mistake.
You get him on that wagon and get him out of town. And don't ever come back.
I sure will, Marshal. I never knew Seifel could ever be beat.
You're watching memorable entertainment television. MeTV Lexington.